If you're looking for the best glue option when it comes to repairing model cars, look no further because I have finally found it. And in this video, we're going to be doing 2 live demonstrations showing you this glue in action. So let's get started right now. Live demonstration time. So this is actually the glue that I used in an older video that I made for that RX-7. It's gonna be, here's some other examples of glues, right? You got all this stuff. You even got the tester cement glue, which isn't too bad, but there's actually something better. So let's get rid of all this and bring in this bad boy. This is the Bob Smith Industries Inc. Super Gold Plus. This thing, it is a super glue. However, some of the advantages you have is that it does no frosting whatsoever. It goes on clear. It's odorless, bonds in about 5 to 10 seconds, and it comes with a nice little precision tip to be able to get those hard to reach spots, or maybe you want it to aim exactly where you need it to go. So we've got 2 demonstration pieces here. Let's start with the first one, Z-Tune R34, but guess what? Boom, spoiler broke off. Now, so don't get discouraged by something like this because I get it, you paid money, why is this broken? But at the end of the day, sometimes what happens is the manufacturers may have just put not enough glue on it, and you know, when it comes time to shipping, you know, one wrong bump and that thing is gonna come right off, right? So that's all there is to it. I mean, this is a relatively simple fix. But now there's a second part to this one, guys, I'd like to add is this carbon strip piece, which actually came off right here, and it probably came off at the same time as when the wing came off. All right, the glue is free, and first and foremost, what I'd want to do is put this carbon piece onto the spoiler, and then put the spoiler on the car itself. So let's put a small smidgen on there. Okay, you don't have to get too crazy with this stuff, guys. Just a little bit goes a long way. So we'll put a little bit there and a little bit there. So let's put that in there. Glue's on, press it in, bada bing bada boom, and you're done. Look at that. How easy was that? All right, so give that a little blow is what I typically do. Where my old Nintendo cartridge guys at. And by the time that's ready, we are going to put it on top of these trunk here. So the way I like to do this one is I'll just put a little dab here. Just a little bit, guys. You don't even need a lot. I'm not using that little tip, obviously, but you get the idea, right? And you can line this up perfectly because it's got the little inserts there already for it. And then boom, press down and you're done. Voila. So pretty easy, right? Auto Art, Nissan Skyline, Nismo Z-Tune, ready to go. Now let's bring on the second one. The second demonstration I've got for you here today, this pretty sweet Sunstar WRX STI. And as you can see right here, the whole mirror came off. Now, a lot of people might freak out about this one because it's a big piece, right? And you know, what the heck, I just bought it. What's going on? I know, I get it. But again, it's probably because it just has insufficient glue. So, and one of the things you wanna do is make sure you clean the windshield with a little silicone cloth or something before you put it on, and that's all there is to it. Let's get that glue out and get ready to do it. All right, guys, for this one, what I did is reposition the camera so you can see it better here. There's the window, and then here's our glue. And this is especially important that you do not want to use a traditional super glue that frosts, because this window is toast if that's the case. All right, guys, so we're gonna put it on, let's put it on the car actually, so that we get a really good visual as to where the glue needs to be. Put a little dab right there, a little dab right there. This one's a little bit harder because this car is encased in this little cardboard thing, and a good reason to use that little tip as well. So once you've got the glue in there, you just set this in and it should pop right into place where it needs to go, just like that. And there you have it, you're done. So you can fix your model cars in various ways with this glue. I'm telling you guys, this is one of the best that I have found. I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description below. But if you guys have a better glue than this, then please let me know down in the comments below so we can all see that option as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video.